everybody, that common rag guy here, and it's finally time for the big Gozyuger unboxing. Yes, I've been teasing this in my last couple of videos. So, when this came out, I went the day this got released, on February 15th here in Japan, and I bought the big box. Because if you're doing an anniversary, you go big or you don't do anything at all. At least in my opinion. So this is the DX Big Box Tega Sword set. It comes, I believe, with the main red Gozyuger keys and this one here on the box. It also comes with this nifty little belt that we'll get into. But you know what? Why talk about it? Let's go ahead and just go straight into the unboxing. So I don't know how many Super Sentai transformation items also turned into the mechs, but I love this idea because it's a way to, instead of having so many different items for collectors, you can just merge most of them into either one item or a handful. I just really like the idea. Also, I think it's really creative to have the transformation device also be their mech. I don't know, that idea just really resonates with me. Alright, enough showing off the cool box. Box 1. Hold up, there's more in here. Box 2, and there's the third box. And that's all. Okay, so let's do the smallest box first. This one. Oh, great, more tape. Oh, it does come with all the rings. I thought it only came with the Red Ranger's rings. All right, I was wrong about that. Well then, let's go ahead and get this out. The yellow Gozyuger, who is currently my favorite character. Black Gozyuger, who has not appeared yet. Green Gozyuger. And the blue Gozyuger, who is currently my least favorite. So, they actually have released these rings with two different sizes. So they have the kid, okay, it's perfect right here. They have the kid size ring and then the, I guess, supposed adult size, but I don't know if my finger's just fat because that doesn't look like it'll fit, but we'll find out in a moment. And this... So these are the Sentai rings. So they're rings that will give them the powers of past Sentai Rangers, specifically. Whatever Ranger is on the ring is the power they will get, not necessarily of that entire team. There we go. Okay, that's all in this box. Next box. So this is the holder belt that I believe we've seen used in the first 2 episodes, but my memory is a little dull. But essentially, it is like a lot of items. It holds a ring, much like how the Gozyuger's belts would hold their keys, but only the key that they needed for that specific episode. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this just opens by pulling and pushing. There's no spring-loaded feature or button. You just manually pull it apart and open it, which is fine. This doesn't need to be some overly complicated device. It's just a ring holder belt. Come on. That's why they have the different ring sizes. Only the little ones fit in here. Ooh, that was an oversight. That seems like an intentional design flaw, if you ask me. That being said, that does not diminish the value of this item. Very standard belt stuff. It's got holders here, and it loops here, and you can put it around your waist or through your belt loops if you have them. Yeah, now for the part of video you're really here for. Gozyuger red rings, and I'll get to those in just a moment. Because first, crap, more tape. Oh, they always overdo it with tape on these things. 1 sec. There we go. Right, I gotta be careful with this because of how thick the cardboard is. It gets in the way. Oh, joy. It's stuck on something else. There we go. Take a sword. Okay. A lot of moving parts in this. There we go. On the side here is a button. And I'm not exactly sure how it registers the slapping, but let me put some batteries in this real quick. Alright, so real quick on a side note, 1, this thumb comes off really easily. Also, 2, with these smaller ring guard, it's called, this fits in much easier, but the bigger ones can fit in. You just have to force a little, and we're about to find out if that will actually work with the Tega sword. Alright, now real quick, because I want to find out if it works. Okay, no, there's also enough of a gap where it doesn't quite register the ring. So, in order to use it with the Sega sword, you will have to use the smaller ring holders. Engage. Oh, upside down. I apologize. Number 1. So the clapping and the music will just continue on a loop until you push the side button here. This is actually what will engage it. Now, let's do the robot form. Okay, so before I do the part with the face ring for Sega sword, I'm going to show you how to transform it from the hand blade to the actual mech. And that's because just a couple things you want to know before doing it. Like this thumb pops off super easily, and then sometimes it doesn't want to align properly, so you got to really fidget with it. So first, you pull these fingers down, and they will form the legs and the feet. Flip this arm around. Shoulder pad. Bring this up a little. Twist. Here you have the other arm and the blade. Ah! See? Pops off super easily. Oh boy. Okay. Open for the wings. Again. Yep, there it goes. Pull this finger out of its joint and just push it down to where it's like that. And then the rings will just pop in here for the head. Not this one specifically. Alright, now let's do it with the actual ring. Okay, doesn't want to stand up right? Okay. That's pretty much the long and short of it. And this wolf ring doesn't come up too far, so it's a little hard to see his eyes when you're looking straight at him. But still, really cool, and I enjoy it. And I don't know why, but I really like the idea of the transformation device also turning into the mech. That's just really cool to me. And now for the Sentai ring. Engage! Love it. Oh, thank you again if you made it to the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this longer video. I really wanted to just go all out for my first Gozyuger video. Again, 50th anniversary, big deal, and I got the big box because you gotta go big for this. So let me know what you think of the Gozyuger Sega sword, and which, so far only 2 episodes, but which ranger has so far left the biggest impact for you? Again, for me, it's been yellow. I'm having a lot of fun with this, and I'm really enjoying it so far. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a video where I give my, beginning thoughts on Gozyuger. Like, how my thoughts on it so far as it has appeared. And yeah, that's all I got for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, it's always #1 Sentai time.